and dark blue. But it's dark green and dark blue actually. Smells like soap. Now we're gonna add rainbow. I'm gonna add blue. I'm gonna add gold. One spoon of baking soda. And gluey and shiny. Okay, then I'll just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look what happened, guys. Now we can continue mixing till we get more slime. Yeah, goopy. Slime.